All right, let's be honest. Living with an indoor cat is kind of like being the personal assistant to a tiny judgmental roommate who sleeps 16 hours a day, ignores your calls, but still expects 5-star service. But hey, we love them. But here's something a lot of us overlook. Just because our cats live indoors doesn't mean their lives are automatically stress-free. In fact, a lot of common mistakes cat parents make, completely unknowingly, can lead to boredom, anxiety, or even long-term health problems for our indoor kitties. So in this video, we're diving into 10 things you should never do if you have an indoor cat. Think of this as a friendly chat, not a lecture, about how to make your cat's indoor life safer, happier, and way more interesting. Ready? Let's jump into it with number 1. Never assume that indoor means easy life. Let's start here, because it's the foundation. A lot of people assume that if a cat lives inside, their life must be easy, right? No cars, no predators, no getting stuck in trees. And while that's true, it's only part of the story. Indoor cats still face challenges. Without stimulation, their world becomes small, repetitive, and, honestly, kind of boring. Imagine being stuck in your apartment forever, with no phone, no internet, and the same exact routine every single day. That's what it can feel like for a cat with no enrichment. So remember, just because your cat is safe indoors doesn't mean their needs are fully met. They still need interaction, movement, and mental stimulation to feel fulfilled. Now let's move into number 2, because this one can sneak up on you. Don't leave them alone without anything to do. Indoor cats may seem low maintenance, but that doesn't mean they're cool with being left alone all day in a silent, still house. You wouldn't leave a toddler in a room with nothing to do and expect things to go well, right? So if you're gone for long stretches, especially if your cat is the only pet, make sure they've got something to keep them mentally and physically engaged. That could be puzzle toys, food mazes, bird watching stations, or even setting up a YouTube cat TV playlist while you're out. They need novelty. They need movement. And honestly, they need a reason to get off the couch before 4 p.m. All right, let's keep it rolling with number 3. This one's a biggie, and it's got long-term impact. Never declaw your cat. I know this can be a touchy subject, especially if it was recommended in the past. But let's be crystal clear. Declawing is not a simple nail trim. It's a surgical amputation. It removes the last bone of each toe. It's painful, it's traumatic, and it can lead to lifelong issues like chronic pain, aggression, and litter box avoidance. Scratching is natural behavior. It's how cats stretch, mark territory, and de-stress. Instead of punishing them for it, give them better outlets. Vertical and horizontal scratchers, different textures, and a little catnip to make it fun. Your couch might take a hit, but your bond with your cat will be stronger. And trust me, that's worth more than perfect furniture. Okay, deep breath. Let's go a little lighter with number 4, because this one's about food. And who doesn't love a snack break? Don't free feed without thinking about it. I get it. Leaving out a bowl of dry food all day seems easy. But here's the deal. Free feeding can lead to overeating, boredom snacking, and a pudgy cat who doesn't do much except eat, sleep, and judge you. Cats actually benefit from structured meal times. It gives them something to look forward to and mimics their natural hunting routine. Stalk, catch, eat, rest. You can even use puzzle feeders to combine play and eating. It's like a little game with a delicious reward. So instead of letting them graze all day, try scheduled meals. Your cat might resist at first, but over time, they'll be healthier and more engaged. Now let's talk about something cats crave, even if they've never caught a mouse in their life. Number 5. Never ignore their hunting instincts. Even if your cat's never been outside a day in their life, that wild predator instinct is still in there, lurking just beneath the surface. So when they randomly attack your ankles or launch themselves onto the couch like a jungle cat, that's not bad behavior. It's instinct. Play is essential for indoor cats. Wand toys, feather teasers, treat puzzles, even a crumpled paper ball. It all helps burn energy and satisfy their inner hunter. Make time every day to hunt with your cat. Not only does it keep them fit, it strengthens your bond and helps prevent those 3 a.m. zoomies. Let's move on to number 6. And this one, it's about something a lot of people don't even realize is dangerous. Don't use strong scents or essential oils around them. Cats have an insanely powerful sense of smell. What's a soothing candle or diffuser to you can feel like a chemical attack to them. Worse, many essential oils are actually toxic to cats. Scents like tea tree, eucalyptus, citrus, and lavender can cause real health issues: sneezing, drooling, lethargy. It's not just being sensitive, it can be serious. If you're a scent lover, look for pet-safe options and make sure your cat has a scent-free space where they can escape if it's too much. Speaking of escapes, number 7 is about giving your indoor cat a front-row seat to the world. Don't block their window. Access windows are more than just glass. They're a whole channel of entertainment. Bird watching, people watching, squirrel surveillance. It's cat Netflix. So if your cat doesn't have access to a window, you're basically cutting off their main source of external stimulation. Give them a perch, a cat tree, or even a shelf near a sunny window. Add a bird feeder outside and watch your cat turn into David Attenborough. Now on to number 8, because health isn't just about what they eat or play with. Don't skip regular vet checkups. Indoor cats might be safer from external dangers, but they're not immune to illness. Things like dental disease, kidney issues, and diabetes are still very real threats. The tough part? Cats are masters of hiding pain. They don't limp, they don't cry, they just act a little off. And by the time you notice, the issue might already be serious. So even if your cat seems fine, those yearly vet checkups matter. They help catch problems early, when they're manageable, not scary. Now we're almost there. But number 9 is one that gets misunderstood the most. Never punish your cat for being a cat, scratching, climbing, knocking stuff off the counter. It's not them being bad. It's them being themselves. Yelling, spraying them with water, or punishing them doesn't teach them. It just makes them fear you. And once that trust is broken, it's hard to rebuild. Redirect instead. Praise the behavior you want. Set up your home to support their natural instincts, not fight against them. And finally, let's wrap it up with number 10. Possibly the most important one of all. Don't forget they still need you. It's easy to assume cats don't need us emotionally, but they do. Especially indoor cats, who rely on us for everything. Companionship matters. Your voice, your presence, your warmth. It all builds trust. Sit with them. Talk to them. Be available, even if they just blink at you and walk away. That quiet connection? It's love, in cat language. So if you recognized a few of these and thought, okay, I might be doing that, no judgment. Seriously, you're not a bad cat parent. You're a human doing your best, and now you're doing even better. Indoor cats rely on us for everything, and the more we learn about their needs, the more we can help them thrive, not just survive. If this video helped you feel more confident, or just made you feel seen as a cat parent, go ahead and like, comment, and share it with someone who's on the same cat journey. Let me know in the comments, what's something your indoor cat does that cracks you up, or totally confuses you? And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more cozy, honest, slightly chaotic cat wisdom. We're all learning together, and your cat, they're lucky to have you.